Was just here yesterday. Had a huge windstorm last night. There is sticks everywhere. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be forever to get all these picked up. And just out there in the yard, sticks, sticks, sticks. Look at that one. It's like half a tree fell down back there. But that's not the worst. Look out here in the yard. I just yesterday reprogrammed this guy's map in the front yard. And now I'm gonna have to reprogram it again because it's gonna be a while before I can get that thing picked up. Golly. Got this guy mapped out around the tree so it can still mow the front yard, but here's what it looks like from here. Just rip this whole thing up out of the ground. I mean, it's not a small tree. It's a pretty good size piece of tree broke off.